Remember, kids, welding voltage and amperages aren't safe, and playing with this stuff might kill you. Anyways, so I had an issue. I ran out of the 030, and probably like a dummy, I don't have any 3.5 tips. I only have 3.0 tips, and I'm like, they're actually flowing through. Everything seems flowing like it's flowing through. Well, this welder, wire-wise, the 3.5, the wire recommended, yeah, there's nowhere wire diameter. You look over here, you might say, oh, hey, wait, no, that's not right. It's 0.24, the 6 mil or the 8 mil. Really isn't handling the 0.35, but it welds it. It welded it pretty good until it decided to get stuck. And what I'm wondering, it seemed like it was a tip, but I wonder if the tip heats up, and what would that be? The wire heats up. Or maybe it's the liner heats up. 'Cause, man, that liner looks great. Other than looks pretty good on this end, all the way up till you get to the tip. It has issues. I don't think it was getting caught. There's a little bend right in here I found. And I found these lengths are kind of funky, and this hose end was coming out, so I put some silicone tape there, did a little silicone tape over here, tighten things up, push the hose, push the wires, push, that in more so I can get a little more of the liner, because I figured I'm going to replace the liner. I really should, I think, especially how this end looks. Now I look at it, I think I'm just going to trim that end off, going to kind of maybe Dremel tool or take a file, open that up okay. I really should have a little more on this end. I wasn't the best at, but I tried to at least get that wire cut. So basically the wires on the top side, so I'm getting, at least I reduce the chances of, top back side. I reduce the chances of birds nesting. I try to get that as close as I can. So I readjusted everything. Because actually what happened was, like I said, I guess that 3.5 was getting stuck and it was pushing the liner all the way in. So really I probably should wrap that liner before I tighten this side down also. Hopefully they don't move. It looks like it's tight now, but that's my one thing after I get everything put together. I'm like, I should have probably wrapped a little bit of silicone tape or something around this little section right here, not only this whole hose section. So pushing everything in, I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to try tomorrow welding with the 3.5 again. Seems to be feeding okay. I don't have much for tension. I think it's definitely not the whole diameter. It's like something like a screw turn, and it's I don't know. But I didn't get rat's nest or bird's nesting or whatever on this end. So there's something going on down further the line where it's sticking. So, and I don't think it was here. So there could be somewhere down the line with a liner where it's separating. I hope not, but I'm going to run some wire through next and see how that feeds through and see if I notice anything. Okay, well, I couldn't find anything to chuck up any of the small drills to drill out that any larger. But I do have the torch cleaners, so I chucked up a tip in the drill, and then I ran the torch cleaner in and out a bunch. I also drilled the base, so it was a little more of a taper, so might be easier for the wire to flow in. It seems like it would be. And I tried drilling a little bit, but I think I only got maybe 1/8 inch on each end. But I think that helped when I was spinning it around. I maybe did that for like 10-15 minutes. Almost got the second neck size in, so I think that's a good thing. I probably could go a little more, but I'm just kind of curious to see how it flows in. Seems to be flowing in okay. It's a little tight. The one wire, the cut's a little wider. It's bent more so it doesn't like to flow in, but the other one goes in real easy. So I don't know, kind of probably stupid, don't try this at home moment. However, I want to weld a little bit, so I'm so close to finishing up the trailer project. I really just need a little bit more to weld, to drill 2 holes to mount the inner ghetto pillow block to make sure it stays pretty stable and solid without having to, resort to, which I could use a U-bolt, like, kind of like a muffler clamp kind of type design, not exactly, but, it'd be a flatter top with a U-bolt. But anyways, at least I've got this started tacked on, so I want to get it welded pretty solid at least so it'll hold up. Anyways, be safe, stay healthy until next time. Keep Christ with you and learn something new.